Have you ever seen a fruit that looks like it came straight out of a fantasy movie? Bright pink skin, green flame-like leaves, and tiny black seeds inside, creamy flesh. That's dragon fruit, one of the most eye-catching fruits in the world. But beyond its stunning experience, dragon fruit is packed with incredible health benefits that many people still don't know about. So today, we are diving into the amazing benefits of dragon fruit, why people around the world are adding it to their diets, and why this tropical fruit might become your new favorite healthy snack. First of all, dragon fruit is low in calories, but rich in nutrients. That means you can enjoy it without feeling guilty. It contains vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, magnesium, and iron. All nutrients your body needs to function properly. And because it's naturally sweet and refreshing, it can satisfy sugar cravings in a healthier way. One of the biggest benefits of dragon fruit is that it supports digestion. If you often feel bloated, constipated, or uncomfortable after meals, dragon fruit may help. It contains a good amount of fiber, which helps food move smoothly through the digestive system. Fiber also feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut, helping your stomach stay balanced and healthy. And speaking of gut health, dragon fruit contains prebiotics. These are compounds that help good bacteria grow inside your intestines. A healthy gut doesn't just affect digestion. It can also improve your immunity, mood, and overall health. Many people underestimate how important gut health really is. Another amazing benefit of dragon fruit is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help to protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Over time, free radicals can contribute to aging and certain diseases. Dragon fruit contains antioxidants like betalains, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which help to protect cells and keep your body healthier. If you're trying to improve your skin naturally, dragon fruit can also help because of its vitamin C and antioxidant content. It may support healthy, glowing skin. Vitamin C also helps the body to produce collagen, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. Some people even use dragon fruit in homemade face masks because of how refreshing and hydrating it feels on the skin. Now let's talk about hydration. Dragon fruit has a high water content, making it a great fruit for hot weather and after exercise. Staying hydrated helps your body regulate temperature, supports energy levels, and keeps your skin looking fresh. Sometimes, people feel tired simply because they are dehydrated. Eating water-rich fruits like dragon fruit can help with that. Dragon fruit may also support heart health. The fiber in dragon fruit can help support healthy cholesterol levels, while the antioxidants may help protect blood vessels from damage. Some studies suggest that the tiny black seeds in the dragon fruit contain healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids, which are beneficial for the heart when eaten as part of a balanced diet. Another thing many people love about dragon fruit is that it can support weight management. Because it's high in fiber and water, it can help you feel full longer. That means you may be less likely to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. And unlike many processed snacks, dragon fruits gives your body nutrients instead of empty calories. If you often feel tired, low on energy, dragon fruit may also give your body a natural boost. It contains magnesium, a mineral involved in hundreds of processes in the body, including energy production. Magnesium also supports muscle and nerve function. Many people don't realize they're not getting enough magnesium in their diet. Dragon fruit can also be a good choice for people trying to reduce excessive sugar intake. Even though it tastes sweet, it's generally low in sugar compared to some other tropical fruits. When paired with a balanced diet, it can be a refreshing and healthier dessert option. And let's not forget visual appeal. Dragon fruit instantly makes meals look more exciting. Whether added to smoothies, fruit bowls, yogurt, salads, or eaten on its own, it adds vibrant color and freshness. Sometimes eating healthy becomes easier when the food actually looks fun and appetizing. There are also many different types of dragon fruit. Some have white flesh, others have deep pink or reddish flesh, and some other even have yellow skin. The red-fleshed varieties are especially rich in antioxidants and can leave your smoothie looking incredibly vibrant. While dragon fruit has many benefits, it's important to remember that no single fruit is a miracle cure. The best results come from the overall healthy lifestyle, eating balanced meals, staying active, drinking water, and getting enough rest. Dragon fruit works best as part of a nutritious diet, not as a replacement for healthy habits. When buying a dragon fruit, look for the one that is vibrant in color and slightly soft when gently pressed, similar to a ripe avocado. If it feels hard, it may not be ripe yet. If it's overly mushy, it may be overripe. You can eat it chilled for an even more refreshing experience. One of the easiest ways to enjoy dragon fruit is simply cutting it into half, scooping out with a spoon. You can also blend into smoothies, freeze it into popsicles, or mix into fruit salads. Some people even make dragon fruit juice or smoothie bowls topped with nuts and seeds. And here's something interesting. Despite its exotic appearance, dragon fruit is actually a type of cactus fruit. It grows in warm climates and blooms with beautiful flowers at night. Nature really knows how to create something unique. So next time you see a dragon fruit in the market, don't just admire it, buy it. And remember that inside colorful shell is a fruit packed with hydration, fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients that can support your overall health in so many ways.